A commonly debated and thought over question is whether or not it is possible to move faster than the speed of light. To first address this question, we must define movement. In this instant, movement is the transfer of an object or information from one point to another. Aside from wormholes, of which we will not be addressing in this video, the most common answer for moving at superluminal speeds, faster than light, involves a laser pointer. If one were to shine a very strong laser pointer at the moon, flick the wrist to move the end of the laser point across the surface of the moon in less than 1/100th of a second, not actually that hard to do, the laser point will move faster than the speed of light. This, however, is flawed in theory. Although the point would appear to move faster than light, the photons themselves, the information-bearing particles, would only be lined up across the moon in a line that would make the point appear to move faster than light. In actuality, no laws would be broken as no object nor any information was transmitted beyond the speed of light. Another similar thought is, what if instead of the laser pointer, one used a very long stick or pole? If said pole carrier were to flick the wrists at the end of the pole, must move faster than the speed of light, correct? Actually, no. Force can only propagate through an object at the speed of sound, or in this case, the speed of push. A while back, people had claimed the Hubble telescope had captured a footage of a blast radius around the star V838 Monocerotis expanding at a rate of 1 light year per month, nearly 12 times the speed of light. How can this be possible, you ask? Well, actually, it can't be, and it's not in fact true. This so-called blast radius was in fact a light echo from the sudden increase in brightness that the star was undergoing, much similar to a nova. The star had actually a cloud of dust and space junk surrounding it, a cloud that, when struck by the light, produced a light echo, as the uneven geometry of the cloud caused for it to be lit in an equally uneven manner, making it appear as though the light barrier was being broken as the cloud was illuminated. This sort of lampshade effect caused the cloud to appear as a sort of explosion as the light passed through it, hence the confusion as to whether or not any natural laws were broken, which in fact, none were. Although it is fun to theorize of and dream of worlds far out of our reach, we will never in fact reach these distant places, especially in our lifetime. The speed of light truly is the intergalactic barrier of which nothing can surpass.